Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 62 Nova here, and we'll see if the parking brake works. Parking brake does work. Six-cylinder runs like a charm. You can see gas gauge is just under a half. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. Horn does not work. Kind of froze there. Wipers work. You can hear the fan working. I doubt I did have one earlier today. The old AM radio works, so we'll see if this warms up and if it works. But we'll go listen to the motor and enjoy the lights. We put a new heater core in it. There you can see it had a new hose. It added a chrome valve cover. Boy, this runs like a watch. Looks like they added HEI distributor in it, which is a nice touch. Sometimes the dimmer switches stick on these. Take a look at the headlights because they're not working. I'm guessing it's in the dimmer switch. See the tail light work. Yep, tail light works. So we'll have to take a look at the dimmer switch. I'm sure that's the issue. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.